guys, welcome back to our playthrough of Space Engineers. As you see, I have gone and worked on finishing up some of the walls, and I've actually expanded out onto the building some. I'll show you that here in just a moment. But as you see, I'm stuck in the door. I'll fix that right here in a moment because we're going to go ahead and complete our reactor, and we're going to complete the gravity generator so we can actually walk without being tipsy-topsy everywhere. So let's go ahead and grab all of this. As you see, I've worked on expanding this out a little bit. I'll go over that here in just a moment. Let's go ahead and finish up these projects though. Come on. As you see, we have a good bit of stuff in here. So we can take 41, let's see. Take $4.99. So it'll take us 4 trips altogether. Ow. That was fast. Okay, so we got our stuff. Let's go over. Pop through here. This is definitely the most time-consuming parts on this, is having to go back and forth, just grabbing everything and traveling back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Setting up this video took about 4 hours to get all this stuff ready. I started putting several different things in. I figure once I have all this done, then we'll go and work on dismantling the ship. Might not do it this episode, probably in a later one. We're going to finish up today though. Go ahead and work on, get in here, the reactor, the gravity generator, and we want to go ahead and work on the refinery and finish it up. Then once we get that finished, then we'll go ahead and probably go ahead and fix the assembler. I had to think what the thing was called, because once we have all that, then we shouldn't have to worry about the rest of it. I just really want the gravity generator so I can actually move around without flying all over the place. I think I needed those. Okay. Large reactor is finished. Let's go ahead and see. Do I have everything for this now? Yes. Go ahead and finish at the gravity generator. Alright, so let's pop back in here real quick now. And think about it, I would have gone ahead and grabbed the uranium out of the storage container while I was at it. So I've been fairly busy, so. Alright, so now we got the gravity generator working. Let's go to the control panel. Let's see, gravity generator. Okay. So we turn gravity jetpack off. And we can finally run around everywhere. Now let's go ahead and check out the refinery here. So 1100 steel plates, large steel tubes, motors, computer, more steel, 100 more steel plates. So we needed 1200. Let's go ahead and take the motors, and we'll put those all in. Then we need large steel tubes and computers. So we can check something else in here in a minute. I'd rather grab the large steel tubes. I would forget my head if it wasn't attached, guys. Let's see here. Large steel tubes. Yes. Alright guys, now the refinery is working as well. We got that up and going. Let's go ahead and recharge our batteries here. So with current output, we have enough to do us about 6 days. Which means I'm going to have to run for more stuff. Which I'll do that off camera. Let's see. Now, goal is I'm going to run tubing from there back here to the conveyor, and it's actually going to feed it up into the reactor, so we can just refine everything and send it over from there. I'll access it from back here, and you're in so funny. As you see, we got it connected back here to tubes, so everything will be connected back here to our storage containers, so we can just transfer everything all back through one. Well, we can just access one spot and just do everything. And then we want an assembler. Let's see, where are you? What do we need for it? We'll need more steel plates, construction components, small steel tubes, 4 displays, and a couple more steel plates. So, small steel tubes, displays, components, steel plates. Let's see. Let's take this and then we'll see if I'm forgetting. There's always something. Nope, I grabbed everything. I come to the conclusion a while back that I'm never going to have any of my stuff really right side up. Everything is going to be either upside down or lopsided, one to the side, left, right, whatever. I accepted that fact a long time ago. My station is just lopsided and warped. Okay. As you see though, we have now an assembler, refinery, our reactor, and the gravity generator up and running. We have built out the base a little bit more. We're going to expand on that some more. go ahead and put these on here, since we already had a plan for them. One right there, and there. The major thing is I just want everything to connect together. And all these, I'll work on this off camera, that way you don't have to bother watching me complete most of this little things like this. Let's see, how many more still plates do I have? 18. Now, let me switch over here. I'll show you one of the changes that I was working on. As I said, I started expanding out. Come on. And what I did is I built this extra section coming out through here, and I'm putting more of the solar panels on here. I'm basically going to extend all this down through here out. That way we can put more on it. That way, just try to get some extra power and not have to rely on the reactor. We can actually use that, and we'll save any uranium that we get for the other ships, and that way we can travel around with that. But I'm going to go ahead and call this episode here. We're going to go ahead and keep building out. Next episode, we're going to work on finishing up these control panels, and what I'll do is, while I'm off camera, I'll go ahead and work more on going ahead and gathering more supplies and just expanding this out some more, so we can try to make this base even bigger. But that is it for now, guys. If you like this video, make sure to click the like button, and if you haven't already, click the subscribe button so you can be up to date with everything we do here at Tri-State Otaku. And also make sure to check out the 2 videos down below for some of the other stuff that we have going on.